Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Axis Bank debit card step by step clearly. First, keep your debit card, registered mobile number, and any welcome kit details ready. Check the front of the card for the bank name and card type to confirm you are using the correct card. Turn the card over and sign in the signature box if it is present. Make sure your mobile phone has network coverage because activation may require SMS or OTP. If you received a PIN mailer, keep it safe and do not share it with anyone. If you did not receive a PIN, plan to generate or change the PIN at an Axis Bank ATM after activation. For the simplest activation method, go to the nearest Axis Bank ATM. Insert your debit card into the ATM and select your preferred language. Enter your existing ATM PIN if you already have one, or follow the on-screen prompt for first-time setup. If the ATM asks to create a new PIN, enter a 4-digit PIN that is hard to guess. Re-enter the same PIN to confirm and wait for the success message on the screen. If you already had a PIN and only need activation, perform a balance inquiry or any small transaction to complete activation. Take your card back and keep the ATM slip only if you need it, then dispose of it securely. Now, confirm activation by making a small purchase at a merchant terminal using chip and PIN. Insert the card into the POS machine. Choose the account if asked, and enter your PIN to approve. Avoid using swipe for the first transaction if chip is available, because chip and PIN activates more reliably. If you prefer activating via mobile banking, install the official Axis mobile app from the App Store. Open the app and log in using your customer ID and password, or complete registration if you are a new user. Go to the card section and choose Debit Card Services or Card Controls. Select your debit card and look for an option like Activate Card, Enable Card, or Set PIN. Verify with the OTP sent to your registered mobile number and submit the request. If the app provides Set PIN, create your PIN and confirm it carefully. If you use Axis Internet Banking, log in from the official website and open the debit card section. Choose the card number and select options such as Generate PIN, Change PIN, or Card Activation. Complete authentication using OTP or grid-based security as shown and save the changes. If your card is blocked due to wrong PIN attempts, use the app or internet banking to unblock if available, or visit an ATM branch. If you cannot receive OTP, update your mobile number at the branch and retry activation after it is linked. After activation, enable or disable international, online, and contactless usage based on your needs from Card Controls. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.